Shocking studio.
Give thanks, Patrick. See? Yo, me love the vibes tonight, you know, because, like me tell you earlier, it's going to be history. So here we are going.
Out of town, like 3,000 volts of energy Richard, man. Current. Shock. Well, easy H and Kelvin Anthony. This is Lieutenant Messenger of the Cabal. Lord. Shockings to the room. Shockings to the sound, Lord. Doesn't matter what you play now, sound boy. As long as you're not playing right, you're gonna lose tonight. So why?
What's it? Yo, the man pay money for in tune and cut in tune. And for the man tune, he can play it 20 times. Big up Benjamin is another place. Friend and big artist for life. What's it? What you say?
No long talking, no long talking. Matty, you say you're gonna kill me? This is the message in the music. Listen to the music.
Mix Master Wasi, champion sound. Well, this is Ayman Errol Dunkley, original foundation artist. A big up Wasi and all the crew. Mix Master, champion sound, all massive, all crew. Listen to this. You cannot find a sound to kill Mix Master Wasi.
Wasi, you my brethren, you know. Remember I say that, you know. You my brethren. But me can't play a tune I want to play tonight, you know. Because Bantan Levy load me up, you know. But me can't play that. Me gonna play this tonight.
I'm gonna say a true art sound to the fullest, you know. I'm gonna say Father Monty Lodge, you know. I'm gonna say the baddest sound for the planet, you know. Chuck Fender the living fire, you know. Hey, we don't play with sound boy, and don't play to run through sound boy like vehicle. Hear me now? Hey, watch out us. Hey, I hear me if not talk on the one, you know. Cause you don't know, say a true art, and we'll kill some sound tonight. Oh Lord. I live in fire. True art, them nana. Yeah, good. Hey, spicy. Hey, I star. A sound fool like you. One class true art, you must be crazy. A little jump and like you pop up your dog and put 9 for a little old lady. A sound fool like you but down a school and a go on like your man sick and crazy. Alright, true art hold you. No if nah, no but nobody tell true art. We are just them and lie them. Find the negative sound when them a bring. Just them and lie them. Mash up and wreck up them senseless killing. Just them and lie them. Sound of free repressing them and gun thing. Just them and lie them. Some girl them come out of the wages of sin. True art seat, I know we have to talk it. Oh, the rocky boy still have to go walk it. You love your life, go sit down and park it. Stop carry water in a basket. No make we start use the Moses law. I feel higher than no from them war. No push it till blood start draw. Hey, I start you dead now. Just them and lie them. The negative sound when them a bring. Just them and lie.
Let me tell you something. You see all them out here who want class short. You think me stupid? I would not play on the Bantan them and all the big tune when we come to Jamaica last night, you know. When they want clash me, then you go see where I go. I think me stupid, me play with my thing. By the way, I want to say, big up Spices on this event. Man called Lexus on this event. No, I'm not call Lexus them again, no. Trust me. But anytime I tell you something, anytime anybody want in this park, one class short, book up the man called Lexus, and I got dead. Me say that.
Monty, you know, it's just something like what? Look to your left. Killer is in the building. Ice Star.
Yeah. You and me, sir, I Star sound of me, I said, John, go and big up yourself in a name and Bushman represent, you know. Whoa, oh, 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 eh. Whoa, Lord. Whoa, Lord. This is Einstein sound. We come controlling down. Worries and problems. When I start a killer, so right tonight. What is over there, my book and a bite. One.
All right, Pisces.
Boy, my brother, you look like you're afraid. Not top trimble, man. Top trimble, man. Easy yourself. When they bump say big giant, them no matter trimble. You easy. You understand? But you want what? Manti, are you me? Hey, you ever watch a Jamaican movie where the man said, "Are you me come for?" Me no business, but nobody else. Manti.
My youth, what you really say that song here? Anti-true heart or anti-true fall? Cause you have to understand this when Pisces sound come out. We have murder everything in ya. I star sound, you done the rest, so cool. Was it? Yeah man, you was. Shocking. You go and get a few clappings. But you name love maker. How you plan to make love to in ya? Pisces are the supreme sound in there, so if you understand one thing, it's the father, we innocent king pa. And you say, yeah, you fire, murder everything in there for me. Blaze, Tony Hype, murder time, and Robinson say, you see it? That's how we do it. Aye. Woo, these little idiots sound in here tonight, them are the dead. Pisces are plug out them head, yeah. Yo, the massive crack. Pisces kill these clowns, you have to wait. Right now, oh no. We can't listen to the true fart no more.
Shocking.
But the true fart.
Yeah, what after? Yeah, what after shocking? Right now, you see the microphone thing now, the talker-phone. We'll cut off the talker-phone there. Alright, shocking.
This is Ken Boo for Shocking Studio. Right now, I'm the father Shocking. Hear this? This is Ken Boo. In this dance song tonight, a DB sound up to move away. Yeah, a DB sound up to move away. Yeah, Shocking Studio no play.
Let's go. Watch it.
Listening to. Yeah. Well, I know you're listening to Mix Master Wasi, Wishy and Wasi, well classic, and a Taurus Rider, bless up the sound of that door. Hey, yeah, don't test me now. Nah. Well, it's about to be on. Mix Master Wasi. No. Master Wasi. What is about that?
Monty. No, we'll cut off the mic. Too much time around. Just cut through. Yeah, man, cut through.
Rugo that you think and was not a boogie that a original track sound man take a idiot sound over there for clown because they don't know say I come around. Yeah, we done the chop. Yeah, we done the damn talking with them. We know we'll pass on professional pan them case. A boy that tell him shoot his and hold a kick in his face. Yo! Don't put your thing in that thing there. Try to find out where they in there. Don't you come in them that's in there. Don't throw out sound wrong to be tell them. Don't use your mouth name that thing there. Make hell go back blues where your chin there. Don't eat them eat the chicken there. Don't Monty won't, you know we say don't. And that the some boy say what? You know what father, you can't tell me that. Better you did say we below chicken back. But you can't tell me say nothing I'm the girl shot too hard. Say that. Then me not sell on the man. Let me tell you something, that sound they coming like cell phone, you don't sell them out. I idiot sound them there over there, so man. Original true heart sound, I gonna murder them, look a fool over there so tonight because we no ramp with special. You understand me? We no weak in our box. Anyway, sound boy. 5 minutes enough sound there about true heart there, yes. True heart there, you know, true heart there. We can say bad sound there about true heart there, yeah. True heart there, you know, true heart there. After we taking a big clash down a Florida. Think it was sometime last November. When we go in the dance, we say what this fire.
Come in, Ice Star.
Every Ice Star sound, you know, once again, we did it.
Boy, we dig it. You see me there? Who body now? Who body? You want to John, you want to kill a Dre, you want to Junior Monster. I want it there. Something bad is going to happen to them. Kick it in. Sure. Style. Hear me now? Well, wrong or right. Sound boy, you see a pretty couple when you like. I stand ready for murder, jump on tonight. Don't buy the reach and plan the 9-9. Sound like it on the first. Wrong or right. Sound boy, you see a pretty couple when you like.
Pisces.
Man, the true art. What you name true art? You don't have no art. Pisces are gonna mash you up tonight. I mean, so you're there, you have a cut tune with Pisces name tonight. No, you count one day. No, what's it? And I Star. Yeah, you know, no better stay far. Early one. Yes, sir? Yeah, because Pisces sound is not a sound to play with. You understand? So pack up your laptop, because we never carry no sound. Pack up no laptop and go out. Yeah? Father, wait! Run thing! Man, to your skunt lazy. Watch this. You sound dead in the park and we not give no chance cause you go like you hard. Say you a camping with style, we a lead you by a mile and a beat you like a child. Say when the big sound turn on, Monty run and get kicked in your face. Say we not play no game and we have the fame, Monty sound you lame. Say we are kicking at your face like whoa.
Yeah. Oh God. Shocking studio, come in.
Bang out! Adia style. Shocking studio sound. A tapping cloud. Kelvin Anthony. Shut him down. You hear me edge? Adia style, I'm stop smile. I'm here present Naya Fireball 2 centimeters. It is fatal.
Yeah, big up Kelvin Anthony and H. And the shocking studio sound. Hey, I say, I shocking studio sound play. Don't you ever say the number one song to play. Shake it up someone. Hear what I say now. Take out your tin pan sound out the lawn. Then you will get no hurt now. You do what I say, someone. And do what shocking studio sound say, someone.
What's it?
Yeah man, easy squeeze mix, no riot man, it's a mix master. What's is like a David who slew Goliath with a sling and a stone. Right now I turn it off at the microphone. You don't know Jamaican, you're big in that place. Send me. Mix master, what's it sound to play? We make some jump and run away. Jamaican select, live and direct. Kill some song, kill some song, kill some song, mix man.
Monte.
What's it? You play foundation tune, but tonight is not foundation tune. Tonight is custom. Don't want to one for one man. Listen, I get the things start out. But it happen. I go play last tune tonight.
And gentlemen, this is the report of the burial of 5 Sound. Started with strapping for shocking. True art take over the girls them from Love Maker and leave him with the heart haker. I Star.
Yes, boss.
Why you choose to come to true art with war, and we are such a friends. You're gonna die tonight. Pisces, we are such a good friend, but I'm so sorry. You will have to death tonight.
Hold it. It's 9 o'clock. But what me I gonna do? Me mix the man them thief 1-1 tune around the board. Yeah, so starting with I Star.
I Star, you mean a super big like Darcy, Father John, Junior Monster. It's super big, you send come class, so you don't know, say, so all for dead. Run the rhythm, make us shut off the net. Oh, you mean? Original super big. Oh, boy. I Star, I got
Yeah, right, yes, sir. Pisces. Hurry up.
Yeah, this is Stranger Code from way back when. Trenchtown to be exact. Big up the killer sound. Pisces, King Park, Jimmy, for the win. Going night, Pisces. Kill it. Who are you? Pisces, should be mine.
Alright, stop it. Shocking, come in.
Whip them, Shocking Studio gonna whip them. Shocking Studio master to expand them keys. Every time, let it go. Kelvin, enough big up feel and respect. Easy. Edge, kill some boy now. Killing a sound is so easy to do. And that's what Shocking gonna do to you.
What's it?
Yeah, Easy General Wasi, Mixmaster's #1 song, Easy Jamaican. Yeah man, I'm on Sugar Man, let's just let it go. Big sound, original style, you know? Not strong boys are early pace setter. As the journey get long, Mixmaster makes some boys get bigger. Easy to see. Some boy have one life. The money
Alright, Monty, this is the final show.
To the big sound, you don't know. Man called Monty. Down, you don't know everything is everything. And then it's wax. Let go them. Kill them. Too hard. Kill them. Now. Yeah. Murder them. What your eyes gonna see, someone. Your heart gonna weep. What your ears gonna hear, little son boy, you're gonna shiver with fear. So do what you may and say what you will call.
Kill arrows. So
you are the one to articulate.
Punctuality, we understand the thing, Bridget. We understand the thing, and we're gone 5 minutes over the thing. Either we kill it tonight and kill it forever, or we come back next time again. Which one would you rather say? Kill it tonight? No. You see, if the people them come out of the park early on a Sunday, whole heap of tune they have to play. Yeah. So thank you all for coming out.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you something. See, Far Lexus run this thing, right? Spicy, my budget. All the man in my wrong way. Yo. You having a good time tonight? Trust me, man. When the war wants to start, we go war.